Well, we got a visitor at the bird feeder. Uh-oh, she's eyeing that bluebird. I looked out and Millie was clear up high in the tree. I didn't think she'd even do it in the winter. I don't think she would catch one. She's just sitting up there and she's bored because it's winter and she doesn't get to go out too often. And she's well fed, extremely well fed. I give her both dry, high quality dry, called in the wild food, and moist food. So she's not going to attack. She's just really bored, but it's fun to watch. So all right, we have our first bluebird. Where'd it go? It's obviously not intimidated by Millie. So we'll watch the cat and the birds for a minute to watch our true paradise up here in the Minnesota Wonderland, Winter Wonderland. Hopefully I can get another bluebird before I sign off. Just wanted to give you guys a little treat. See if another bluebird will peek around the corner and come in for a piece of fruit or a nut. Some gourmet fruit and nut treats that you can't find anywhere else in the snow-covered ground. I see a cardinal up there coming in. A couple other wrens and finches. I see a yellow one. Woo, he got a big piece of fruit. Looked like a piece of apple. Wish my camera would focus, but I'll try to hold still. There, we got a treat from the bluebirds. There's a red cardinal right up there too. I'll try to hold still again so we can get it in focus. Well, I guess that's it for a while. Here's our beautiful, some type of a cardinal. Coming down? Not yet. Maybe one more bluebird will come down. Not yet. Okay. Well, Millie wanted to say goodbye. Say goodbye, Millie. Say goodbye. Millie, say goodbye. Woohoo! Be kind to those birds. Uh-oh. Millie's closing in.